Yes, so welcome to By Excellence Tutorials, and today we are going to continue with sound waves that we did in the previous session. So I think before we go on spherical and plane waves, I think we get to solve the question that we did not finish. Okay, we did not finish solving the questions. So we had this question, and I think here we found is it 170 decibel. Yeah, we found 170 decibel. Okay, and this was A, and then we have to solve for B now. And B says the new intensity, calculate the new intensity level when a second identical machine is added to the factory. Okay, so now what happens when the new machine has been added to factory? We are going to see that the intensity level is going to obviously, I mean the intensity is going to increase. The new intensity is going to as well to increase. So the intensity of one machine is given by 1/10 to the power 5 square meter. Now, this is one machine. So if it's two machines identical, it means the other machine as well will produce the same intensity as the first machine. So for us now to find the new intensity level, we are going to have the new intensity now. This new intensity is going to be, let me say, and let me put a 1 here, and it's going to be equal to twice the intensity of one machine, since there are two. So now we are going to have something like 2/10 the power 5 watt per square second. Okay, so now from here you get to calculate the new intensity level. You have 10 log intensity over this is the threshold of hearing. So what we are going to have now is 10 log 2/10 to the power 5 watt per second. Okay, and then we have the threshold of intensity of hearing. We know it's 1/10 to the power -2 watt per second. Okay. So the new intensity levels is 173.03. Okay, so that can just be like that. So you can see that after introducing another machine, even the intensity level has increased. Why? Because of the intensity there had to increase because of two machines, identical machines that have been introduced. Okay, so that's That is how you get that one. And see, we have a certain number of additional such machines are put into operation alongside these two. When all the machines are running at the same time, the decibel level is 77.0 decibel. Find the sound intensity. Okay, so now we need to find the sound intensity. So we know that the equation is the same equation: decibel level log intensity of threshold of hearing. Now we are looking for this intensity, and we've been given the decibel level. Okay, so now we say the decibel level is 77 log. Okay, and then we have intensity, which we are looking for, and threshold of hearing is 10 minus 12. Okay, like that. And then we can divide first by 10 both sides, and then we are going to have 7.7. So I'll write this side, I'll write here. So we have 7.7 being equal to log intensity over neg 12, like that. Okay, so I believe in mathematics you did something to do with logs, and so if a log is been written like this, it simply means that this log is to the base of 10, so it's base 10. So now how do we convert this from base, or how do we remove the log? So it's to the base 10. It's going to be the same as base the power 10, like that. I hope you are not lost. 1 by like that. Okay, so we have 10 to the power 7.7 multiplying by, okay, so this is like that. So we're going to have intensity level being equal to 7 by 7.7 by like that. So the intensity level is going to be 5.01 by 10 to the power negative 5. So this is going to be our intensity level. If the decibel level, this is going to be our intensity if the intensity level is 77 decibels. Okay. So that question is done now. And then in the previous video, we also looked at the intensity in terms of we're looking at the surface area and the power that is being produced from the source. I guess so. Energy being generated from the source, and we talked about this energy being the same as you are going around the wave fronts. Okay, different wave fronts, the energy is the same. So we said intensity. We talked of intensity being got the power out of the area, surface area is 4 pi r squared, like that. So a small source emits sound waves with the power output of 80 watts. Find the intensity 3 meter from the source. Okay, so what is the intensity when the radius? So this 3 meter is the radius actually. So this is the formula that we're going to use. So we have the intensity being equal to the power, we've been given 80 watts, and then we have 4 pi, Ri is 3 squared. Okay, so we have 80 watts, and this is meter, of course. So we're going to have okay, so here we have 113.097 square meter. So we have the intensity of 0.707 watt per square meter. So this is going to be the intensity at the distance of 3 meters from the source. When the power output is 80 watts. Okay, so this is A. So B says, at what distance would the intensity be 1/4